Okay, this is week number 6, I think, and back out here at the Lazy W Ranch doing the wetland project. I thought I'd give you a little video as to the progress. Needless to say, it's been a lot of learning curves and a lot of mistakes that have been made, but I'm glad that I've made them because it's helped me understand how to build a macro topographical wetland using a levee system. And I'm on the third levee, which is the longest levee. It extends the entire width of the wetland, and it's taken me 2 full weekends to get this done. And I'm probably going to spend the majority of the day rounding out the 5-to-1 ratio backside of the levee. So I'm standing on the west side of it, on the very end, and this is the levee. You can see that I have the trench still to fill in. I've been rounding the levee off, but I've still got quite a bit of rounding left to do. We haven't been able to do much on the levees that are back here because we had an issue with clay. We had the engineer come out yesterday and he identified some clay. It's a little bit deeper, but it's manageable. But once this one's done, I think the others will go pretty quickly, but we're running out of time on our timeline. It's June 2nd, and we need to have all the levee systems done in June if we're going to have a harvest time to be able to plant some of our buckwheat, Japanese millet, and some rice. If not, we're going to miss the harvest period where gestation can take and we can actually grow something decent. So we still have a lot of work to done. I've got doubts that the wetland will be done entirely this year. I think realistically we can get probably half the wetland done and planted and see kind of what happens, but it'll probably be next year before the whole thing's done. Kind of disappointing, but I just wanted to show you guys something off in the distance. I don't know if you can see them, but there are some rheas right here in the distance. There's about 25 of them, but this grouping of trees is kind of keeping them all hidden. Let's see if I can walk around, show you all. Can you see them now? Right here. It's pretty cool. Anyways, I'm going to start working. Peace out. See ya.